It is the 3rd of September, 2020. This is WIKISPEED Weekly Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia. And past week, I took the battery out of my laptop. I haven't yet, and I bought a couple of thumb drives to back up things, which will include the, hopefully, include the draft on the charitable report. I'm not sure it's going to work. I basically, I wanted to be ready to just grab the data if it turns on for a little while. I don't know exactly. The computer guy told me take the battery out, plug, hold down the start button for a while, I guess, to get rid of any electricity. I don't know, and then plug it in and then turn it on without the battery in it. So that's that. I think I sent a thing about Python. I read the Python article in Make, Python for Hardware, which actually had some shortcomings. So maybe we're talking crosstalk about that. And actually revived my Raspberry Pi. I hadn't used it in a few months, and first I couldn't get it to turn on right. Then I got it on, and I ran update and upgrade to bring it up to speed, which took like an hour. So no, not a lot of progress, but some. I did do some things. And that's blocks. Oh yeah, coming week. Let's hope that I get the charitable status report off the laptop and can work on it some and commit it. Most importantly, if I committed it to SourceForge or GitHub, we wouldn't have a problem. But I was lax about backing things up. And blocks are so much going on. The second wave probably is the biggest block. At least that it's not now, but it could be. And it's not here, but it's still something that's there. Anyway, that's it for me.
Okay. I didn't get to much of what I was hoping to do. My Raspberry Pis, I actually did get them out and tried to power them up. I can't find my micro SD that has the noobs on it that was set up for the solar sun catcher, sorry. So I am still searching for that. Haven't powered them up. My off-grid solar, I took one of the batteries out. I've got a couple of wheels for a little mobile cart and the inverter and a disconnect. So I'm going to give myself a 1 on that one, even though building the whole cart and stuff was a 3. ESP32 chip, I tried to split up the Arduino ESP32 board from the distance sensor, and it failed miserably. I used a Cat5 cable, and I couldn't get the connections for the jacks to make good contact. I was quite frustrated. I did get the pinouts written down, but that's only going to be a half on the task list. And that's what I got done. So mostly my next week task list is looking pretty much like it did last week. Powering up the Raspberry Pis. I did get an email from Suncatcher saying that there was no test procedure and that they suspect that the Raspberry Pi actually made contact with the bottom of the Suncatcher board and shorted out, and that's why the Raspberry Pi died. They don't have any tests for me to check what the voltages are at the various places. So it almost sounds like they think that the old board was just fine, and it was my installation that was a problem. Got to continue to work on the solar battery and inverter on my cart. I found some cable. It's actually for irrigation to use between the distance sensor and the ESP32. So I'll see if I can add 6 or 7 feet of that. Still editing and posting pictures in progress would be nice. I seem to be avoiding that. So I estimated that I could do, oh no, that's on that right now. Excuse me. Walks. It's still summer or fall mostly. It's still other stuff to do, but not as much as there used to be to do. And I guess that's back to you, Lauren. Okay, so either you're breaking up real bad or my connection's bad. Okay, Lauren, I still can't hear you. So are you muted? Oh, I lost Lauren. Hopefully he can connect up. Maybe it was a connection problem on his side. I am going to continue with my stand-up. So I was hoping to get 5 points for last week, and I got a total of 1.5. I did not get the recording posted for last week because I'm not sure exactly why. And that takes me to like 4 out of 10, I guess. And I'm going to go with 7 out of 10 because for the team, because Lauren is making progress on his dead hard drive, and we'll be hopefully getting his charitable donation stuff done. Okay.
Hello?
Back. Yep, I can hear you now.
Any better? Okay.
Yep.
Good. Yeah, so no process improvement, and yeah, so that's it for me.
Okay, and what you were going to do for the team yourself, I didn't hear that part.
Oh, yeah, I gave it an 8.
Okay. Okie doke. I also don't have a process improvement, so that's pretty much. Well, I'm going to turn the video on. I got a green little symbol, so that should be good. No process improvement, so I think we're pretty much wrapped up. Oh, I just got my red light again. Jeez. Okay, I'm just going to keep the video off.
You know, I for the first time on Jitsi, I got an annoying request when I was trying to fix my sound to upgrade to the paid version.
Oh.
Yeah, and I this is not. I think they've added some not well thought out bells and whistles or something like that. I don't know. I first time I've used it, and I don't have room on my phone for the app, so I'm using the web version, which is probably a problem.
Well, I'm using the web version as well because you pretty much have to if you want to record.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I'd like to stop recording, give you a quick update, and I'm going to go back to making refried beans.
Okay, I'm going to hit the button for stop recording.